We're doing a game.
What game is that?
The snowball fight.
Snowball. It's a blizzard challenge, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has snowballs.
It does.
Yeah. We can draw it.
Are you ready to get it set up then?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, set it up.
Look, snowball.
Let's have the snowballs in it. Calculate, what do you got?
This. The dresser.
Lots of directions.
Snowball fight. Ooh, I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, these are not real ones.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's pick a card. Maybe we start right there.
I don't know. I have to read the directions. Let's see. See how this works.
We're setting up a game.
What's the game called?
Show.
Well, how many points is that one, Kai? Can you read the
40.
numbers? So the numbers on it. Vlog wants to see it too.
40.
40 points?
Yeah.
Is that the big point one? What's the big point one?
Yeah.
The 40 is the big point one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
I don't know. By Zozo, there's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
50.1.
Alright, put up all the targets.
Yeah, we set up all the targets.
You want to do Macy versus Kylie first?
What?
Mm-hmm. Oh, we get to draw it off.
Yeah.
Let the games begin!
Alright. So go ahead, throw. Throw. You want to knock it over? Throw it
Knock
hard.
him over.
Grab snowballs and throw them.
Keep throwing him. Go catch up again. Go grab all the snowballs.
Go grab snowballs.
Oh, almost. There's a 60. Oh, almost.
Throw them.
Gotta knock him over.
Do it. Throw it at them.
Whoa.
Good job. Throw them. Throw them. Throw them. Hurry. Hit them hard. You gotta throw it really hard. Good job, Zoe.
You
Keep
know,
throwing.
this is the weight, and it's so heavy.
It is. Good try. You guys are hitting them.
Almost.
Keep throwing them. Almost. Hit them hard. Good. Now hit them. Here, throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Not at me, Poopy.
Zoe got a 10-pointer.
Oh, Mommy almost got a 10. Good job. Come here.
Oh, Macy got a 60-pointer. Kylie got a 50.
Keep throwing them. So you get the most points. Yeah, Zoe.
Wow.
Uh, 100 points. You guys tied.
You guys both
We
tied.
got
I think so. Got it? Throw it, Zoe. Throw it.
now look, part of my really skinny.
Ow.
Stick. Let's put up again.
Mm-hmm.
I did the Santa one again.
Get it, Kylie. You go, baby. And Zoe's turn too. And Macy, ready for it? Oh, big 60.
Back up, back up.
Oh, Kylie got the 10. Oh, almost.
Keep going.
Kylie, you don't have to throw the balls over here. Try to get more points. Over there, yeah. Try to get more points.
Back up, go, girl. Back up, okay, back up. Back up. Let's daddy.
Oh,
There you
whoa,
go.
whoa, whoa.
See your throwing skills.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, Kylie got 50. Good job. Kylie's tied with Sissy. Oh, Mason got 30.
Who's gonna get the 20-pointer?
Kylie, get another ball. Wow.
You wanna play again?
I am the best bird!
I like the
guys want to go one at a time and see who can hit the most?
Oh, Miss, I got one too. I got getting off something.
Yes, Zoe, go over by Dada. Go see Dada. Go see Daddy. Go see Dada. Go see what Dada's doing. Go help him. Go help Daddy.
Can I have them?
Let me see. Alright, back up by Daddy's feet. Back. Oh. Oh,
Oh!
she got 60 points.
Oh!
Good job. How many points did you get, Mace? 130. Alright, let's see if Kylie can beat her. Oh. 3 more. 2 more. Oh, we picked one backwards, Goofy. Go ahead. Almost. 1 more. Oh.
Oh, it still fell!
Okay.
Kylie got 70. Macy won. You want to do it, Joe?
I know what the
There's what?
I know the best one
Uh-huh.
I'm the best one ever. Not gonna be me who's a baby. I did good. What?
Do it. Right there. Go. Throw it.
Do it, Kyle. I'm Zoe.
Oh.
Good. Do it.
You're not gonna beat me.
Whoa!
Oh!
Throw it right at the snowman's.
Whoa.
Oh. Throw it 1 more. Oh, 2 more.
You're not gonna beat
Good
me.
job. Good job. Macy won. Alright, Mommy versus Daddy. Who's gonna hold the vlog while Mommy and Daddy?
Macy's got the vlog.
Come here, stinker.
What's on?
But
Miss it one more.
I think Daddy's gonna win again, and then
Daddy always
me
wins.
and Daddy is one.
Watch. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got that one. That was mine. 110 for me.
I get you. I got 60.
We
Daddy got 60
60
points
was a
and that one.
tie.
Daddy's the
We
winner.
tied.
Daddy's the winner.
No, Daddy cheated.
Daddy won the
Daddy
winner's
cheated.
game.
He cheated.
Me and Macy won.
He cheated. Who won, Macy?
Well, yes. I won again. Yes, I won again. Good job,
Okay,
Joey.
I think it's a tie.
I think you. I think it's a tie. Like, no, I won. You tricked me.
You got me good. No, no.
Tricked me.
Mommy got that one.
Oh.
Mommy got 110.
Daddy got most of them.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy won the rest of it.
I think. Daddy won.
Aha!
Ah, cheaters. Pumpkin eaters.
Mom.
1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa.
Good job.
You got it.
Keep going. There's 3 more.
Whoa.
You won the last one. You guys are both winners.
Whoa,
We
winner,
do
winner.
both winners.
Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
Where'd you guys get this game?
I didn't get this.
Who brought it to you?
Elfies.
The Elfies?
The Elfie brought it to you.
It was this elf on the floor.
Which one? Oh,
That one.
that one brought it to you?
Hmm?
Oh, wow.
Oh, what's up
Oh, him's up there too.
Can you see his face?
Yeah.
Not touching him.
Not touching him.
Yeah!
The Elfies.
Try to get me now.
You got her.
No.
Try to get me.
I don't have a football.
Here, Mom.
Go. Oh, wait, time out.
What's the one?
Oh. Ready? At the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. You ready, Kai? You want to do the same time with me? Start one.
You doggy.
1, 2, 3, go.
I am not doing it.
Cute.
Oh.
Hi, doggy.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm so asleep.
Are you still sleeping?
Wake up, Kaka.
Oh, she wasn't sleeping a minute ago. Wow.
Okay. Now we can't go too.
Alright, you guys ready to go select some ornaments?
Yes.
You ready to go select some ornaments?
Yes. I just fell asleep. I fell asleep. I fell asleep in the crib, guys.
You want Mikey? You want Mikey?
Kyle?
Mikey has
no,
hair. Do you
wait.
see Mikey's hair?
No.
Oh, you want from Mikey?
You gonna throw my
Oh, what lost hair?
the mic and
Who won
phone?
the game?
Me. Just kidding.
What?
Macy.
Hey.
Kai. It's so fair.
We all won, huh?
Ooh.
But there's only one winner.
You don't
Oh, she found two Mikeys. Oh no.
I found 2 monkeys. 2 monkeys jumping. Whoa, where? Oh, there's it. Hi.
Hi.
I'm so asleep.
Are you still sleeping?
Wake up, Kaka.
Oh, she wasn't sleeping a minute ago. Wow.
Okay. Now we can't go too.
Alright, you guys ready to go select some ornaments?
Yes.
You ready to go select some ornaments?
Yes. I just fell asleep. I fell asleep in the crib, guys.
Said they played too hard, huh? No, too sleepy to play the challenge game. This is actually sleeping. She's actually sleepy. Oh!
Babachka. 2 left.
Walmart.
Yep.
What?
Ornament.
Ornaments, huh?
Yeah.
Come back and put them on the tree.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hope it's big ones.
Huh?
Hope it's a big one.
We're gonna pick some real big ones out. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
I'm excited for it. You excited for it?
Yeah.
What are those?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Dad's so upset right now.
Maybe you can do little shorts.
That had no sound.
You want that one? You can pick one more, baby.
We got ornaments selected.
I
What we get? We eat it. That almost bit off, huh? Yeah. Uh-huh. What ornaments would you guys choose? You chose that one. What do you think your buddies will say on there? Your friends? Hope. Oh. What is it? Oh, there's nutcrackers. You want to touch a nutcracker?
Put your hand in here. Put your hand in there.
Whoa.
want to take that one.
Which one? The red one?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That one.
Yeah. Baba.
Yeah. Santa Claus. The Santa Claus back there.
You want to go see them? All right, come on.
Look, Santa Claus.
Look, Baba's. You want the Baba? Oh, him lights up. The Baba?
You hold this? Yeah!
Oh, you get one too? Oh, they're hitting each other. Whoa, what did we find? What is that? Huh? Is that a Spider-Man bike?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Got it? What's that one, Kai? What are you doing?
I need to help you.
You need help riding that one? Go, Macy, go! Woohoo!
You know what it is?
Do I know what is?
The decorations
Decorations.
of the people's house.
We'll have to gonna see here soon.
I don't know what
You guys
the
know?
house is. I do not know what house.
Yeah, you know,
You are
dude.
taking you, Bubba.
Oh my goodness. Wanna hold the vlogger, dogger? Oh yeah. Huh? Where? Which one? We do have that at home, huh?
Look,
Yeah.
Mom, we had that one at home.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Mommy, it's
Yeah.
the same color.
Come on, Zoe.
Which one?
Come on, Zoe. Is that a Bubba?
Come here. Right, me?
Cool. I want to get a picture of you guys in front of that.
Whoa. Minions are back
We
there.
love Minions.
Banana. Look at you.
Stay in there just like that. Get up there and say yourself.
That's a big cheese.
Here.
It does like a line right there.
I'll take a picture of the Minions for you. Will you go up under there?
What is that? It's nice. Say hi- Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
I'm going to take a video too.
Come on.
Zoe. Zoe. Do you, oh, look, do you see Mickey Mouse? Look,
Mickey
right
Mouse.
there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baby penguin singing on a snowman.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, there is. Look, baby penguins on a snowman. Wow.
Oh, that's cool. I like that one. Which one's your favorite?
Oh, look at the little elves. Those are Santa's helpers. Yeah, they help Santa get your presents ready. Up, up. There you go. Whoa. And it's got baby Jesus over there. Oh, Mary, yeah. Whoa. Whoa, Santa Claus. Whoa. Come on, Bear. Come on, Bear. Come on. You can do this. Yeah.
Say hi,
Yeah,
Santa.
Santa Claus, huh? Say hi. Hi, Santa. Hi. Yeah.
You want to see more? To see the Bubbas? There's lots of Bubbas up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let those be for a second. There you go. You got it. Daddy's right there.
Come on.
Those wobble on her belly to hit right now.
Come on, Joe. Good job. You did it. Woo-hoo.
Oh, there you go.
What?
We can go that way
You
again.
went that way again?
We can do it
Let's
again.
do it again. Come on. What is that? Uh-huh. It's cool, huh? Come on.
Mimi.
What, baby? Which ones? Oh, wow. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. What?
A red truck calling a Christmas tree.
You probably can hear next minute she has Mikey.
Oh.
And I have no idea what she's doing with it.
Hopefully I was rubbing it at one point and realized that-
Lucky, look, we made it to the end.
You're coming, baby.
Yeah, the gingerbread where?
Where?
Oh, that is so cool.
Look, there's
Where?
the gingerbread house.
You think it's over here in the gingerbread
Maisie
house?
has the other mic vlog, so if it gets loud, I'm sorry.
Bang it. I'll go back.
Let me turn that around. Okay, it's on. We're gonna go back.
It's the blue ticket. Am I did it so
Oh my goodness.
Well, how is it?
Great.
Great. What?
I think we need a Santa Claus that big. Do we need a Santa that big? Here, scoot over. Look, there's a Bubba that comes out of the sun. Look. Look. It's a Bubba. Watch. I think he goes back in, maybe? Maybe not. Oh, he does? Okay. Mommy thought she was going crazy. Watch. Do you think he comes back out? Oh,
Yeah.
hi, Bubba. Oh, you want to go see the Grinch? Bye bye, Bubba.
You want to do?
Merry Christmas. Okay. Take your time. Thank you. You're welcome. You have a good night. Bye-bye. You have a Merry Christmas.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
That's the Grinch.
Santa Claus.
It was a Grinch. It's the
Was it pretty
Grinch.
cool surprise, guys?
Who's Nikki? It's not Nikki. He's wearing pants on top of his clothes. Remember?
His clothes look like his skin.
Yeah.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Uh-oh. Oh.
We watched that
Oh.
movie.
We did what? Yeah, the Nightmare Before Christmas.
What?
Oh, the Baba going. That's not technically the sidewalk.
Log, those are the lights right there. So we do this every year. Come on, Zozo. Where you at? We gotta go. I know. We gotta get going. Come on. Oh, so Ray. Yeah. What is it?
What's your picture?
Is it Bubba's? Yeah. Wow! She's out of here.